Mjolnir from Thors Hammer. I made a drawing here. Sort of rough dimensions of what I need. There's the main body of it. Alright, there's all the plates welded together. Alright, so I got that step put on there. And oh my god, is it heavy. One thing that I really don't like, I don't know if you can hear it, there's a bunch of sparks in there. So that's the last bit of metal to be put on the hammer other than the pommel. I'm going to split it up into two parts. So this is all the metal for the body of it, and then everything else is cosmetic. So that's how I'm going to do this. So thanks for watching. Again, I appreciate it.
I'ma go as hard as I can, God. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me. I'm not afraid of falling to the very bottom. No death, don't intimidate me. 'Cause I've been the blood of a winner. I can feel it all running through my veins. I know this might sound a little crazy to ya. You wouldn't understand unless you was me.
I'm sick of all the bullies, sick of all the classists. I am done dealing with all of the bitch assness. I am not a cool kid, I am cuckoo if you ask them. Grew up outcasted, happy never lasted. Cruising 99, Aurora be the avenue. Fiends up and down the block searching for a bag or two. Girls selling sex, crazy what your habitat will do. Still your boy, always kept a happy attitude. Stay daydreaming about what I could achieve. Passing grades in every class, but they were all D's. Never felt the school books was the calling for me. Knowing in my bloodline, got a college degree. So we'll make our own way, yeah, we'll make our own way. No, it's not a lot to y'all, but I done came a long way. Used to get lonely, now I like the space. Show the family that we can, think I finally found my place.
I'ma go as hard as I can, God. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me. I'm not afraid of falling to the very bottom. No death, don't intimidate me. 'Cause I'll be the blood of a winner. I can feel it all running through my veins. I know this might sound a little crazy to ya. You wouldn't understand unless you was me. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me. Take me, take me, take me. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me.
I've been living life with my guard up. Tough skin, I ain't letting anybody in. You seem nice, so I'm sorry that you gotta deal with the repercussions of what everybody did. Old friends turn to fiends who would die for grams. When they breathe, hear the wheeze and they diaphragms. Remember you always hated on the crew. Now you trying to put our circles together like Venn diagrams. I can count up all my friends on two hands, waving my middle fingers like this is my new dance. I gave them all a shot, I won't give them a new chance. I'm shining all of my own, I glisten like new gems. Oh man, now it don't hurt so much. What I feel when you leave ain't worth your touch. I'm invincible now, you invisible now. I don't do it for the prize, it's the principle now. So
I'ma go as hard as I can, God. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me. I'm not afraid of falling to the very bottom. No death, don't intimidate me. 'Cause I'll be the blood of a winner. I can feel it all running through my veins. I know this might sound a little crazy to ya. You wouldn't understand unless you was me. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me. Tell the Grim Reaper, come and take me.
Transition! Hey guys, what's up? I'm posting what I have so far for Thors Hammer Part 2 later in this video. So if you don't want to hear me talk about what's been going on and why I haven't been posting, just skip ahead and you can see what I got so far. I'll be posting the rest eventually, but it's really slow going and a lot of things have been happening. First off, I got pink eye, so I couldn't wear my contacts, so I couldn't put the goggles on or the mask or nothing. And it was supposed to go away after a couple days, but it still hasn't gone away, so I got to go back to the doctor and try to get that figured out. They're still like bloodshot, and if I even put contacts in for a couple hours, then they get super red. And yeah, so I gotta go back and get some more antibiotics and stuff. And then I went on a vape break at work, and I sat down on the concrete, and I threw my back out like crazy bad. Like it was about a week ago. I sat down on the concrete, and then that day it got really bad, and then it got progressively worse over the weekend. It got to the point where I couldn't move at all, and my fiance Lexi had to call an ambulance, and they had to drug me up in bed so I could even move to get out onto the stretcher. And it was really bad, and then I got some, muscle relaxers, and I'm still not really recovered. I'm still pretty sore, but at least I'm walking around now, which is more than I've been able to do for a while. So that has also contributed to me not working in the shop at all. I did do some welding on the Thors Hammer. Right now I'm at the point where I need to fill in all the tiny little pits and holes that the welder didn't quite get. So that's where I'm at right now. I've done a lot of work with it. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Yeah, just sitting there all on its lonesome, not doing anything. I think I'm going to put it on the back burner for now because I've really been wanting to get back to the supernatural weaponry. I'm actually I'm repping supernatural today. I don't know if you can you see it. It's a demon trap, devil's trap. And I actually got another supernatural tattoo. I didn't feel right having the first blade without the mark of Cain, so I got that. And I'm going to add a bunch of like infection and veins and shit like that to make it look more like a brand. But so that's what's going on with that. But I wanted to get back into the supernatural weaponry, and one thing has been really sticking in my head, and that is the Archangel blade from season 13, 13 with Jack. I'm going to do it with, I got a new drill press. It's over there. It's a full-size drill press, so it'll be a little bit more steady when I'm spinning the metal, just like when I did the Angel blade. But it has a little twist to the creation of it. The blade actually twists around. So I'm going to have to get an oxyacetylene set. And Home Depot sells one for pretty cheap. So I think I'm going to be picking that up sometime within the next week or so. And I'll heat up the metal and twist it around so it matches it. And then the whole blade is brassed and it has etchings in it. And I drew up a picture of it. And this is it right here. And I didn't add the twist in the blade in the drawing because it's just it'd be a waste of time. I don't really need to draw the twist. I know what it's supposed to look like. I just need the general dimensions of the handle and the blade thickness, you know. And so other than that, I have been making videos because I've been having to do some stuff around the house. I had to, we made a I got into a concrete phase a while back, and it was before YouTube, but I made concrete coffee tables and end tables, and then I got really adventurous and I made the entire countertop out of concrete. And the coffee tables and the end tables were doing alright, except Champ, my little dog, he likes to jump up on the coffee table, and I had like 10,000 little footprints on it, so I borrowed my parents' power washer and I power washed it, and then I decided to polyurethane it just to really seal the concrete and stop any stains from getting in it. And the kitchen countertop got really dirty, and like you can't clean it. And I sealed it. I did. I used a concrete sealer, but it would not come clean. So I tore all that out, and I made a wooden countertop, and it turned out really good. Here's some pictures of the process. And what else have I been up to? That's about it. I've just been working on the kitchen. Oh, and I installed a dishwasher too. I had to tear out like half of my cabinets and install a dishwasher because we've been living in this place for like a year now, and we were hand washing dishes and it sucked. So I went out and I bought a dishwasher and I installed it all in one night, which kicked my ass. But it's really nice to have a dishwasher. It makes a huge difference. Yeah, and what else have I been up to? Yeah, so sorry that I haven't been posting in a while. Some people have been subscribing. You know, I've probably got like 10 subscribers since my last video, and I haven't posted anything. I feel bad. So I figured I'd make this video to kind of update you guys on what's been going on. And